everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use DramaBox app. So if you also want to use DramaBox app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon DramaBox application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here DramaBox application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Creating the account is very simple. After you create the account, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see all the dramas and movies. So in this application, you'll be able to stream the dramas free. You'll be able to find several sections over here. You'll be able to find the option for popular, rankings, new, original, romance, fantasy, counterattack, heroine, etc. You can tap on the option of your choice and that type of dramas will be recommended to you. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the icon for home, for you, my list, profile. Right now, you're in the home interface. So if you tap on the option for you, you'll be able to see the recommendations for you. If you tap on the option my list, you'll be able to see all of your lists over here. Similarly, if you tap on the option profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see your profile over here. Also, you'll be able to find several options like watch history, earn rewards, gifts, help and feedback, settings, about, etc. You can access these options very easily. You can also access the settings. If you want to access the settings, simply tap on the option settings. After that, from here, you'll be able to access the options for settings. So in order to watch the drama, what you have to do is simply tap on the drama that you want to watch in the home interface. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to watch that particular drama. So like this, you'll be able to use the DramaBox. So that is how you use DramaBox app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.